Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. I cannot believe that November is like almost gone and tomorrow is Thanksgiving. I'm so excited to eat lots and lots of macaroni. That is my very favorite food and I definitely indulge on Thanksgiving. I would love to know what you guys love to eat. What is your favorite Thanksgiving like side or dish or whatever it may be? Please let me know in the comments below. But I'm also really excited because we are doing another giveaway today. This year I'm going to be doing 3 holiday giveaways and I cannot wait to show you guys all the things that you could be winning. So I posted one last week, which I'll try to leave a link down below, then one this week, and then I'll have another one coming in early December. And yeah, I'm excited. You guys know how much I love the holidays and again, how much I love giving back. I also love Shop Tagger, which is sponsoring today's video. I know that this year Black Friday is going to look a lot different. I know a lot of times people go out shopping and this and that. And with everything going on with COVID, I know so many people are shopping online because it's so much safer. And it's such a great time to do it because there's going to be so many deals going on. And I don't want you guys to miss that. So if you haven't heard of Shop Tagger, what it is it's a website. They also have an app and they actually find all the deals for you on the things that you save. It's super easy and it's free, which is my favorite too, to download. So you can go online and sign up and then of course download the extension so it's on your computer, and then you also can download the app. I personally recommend doing both because sometimes I shop on my phone, sometimes I shop on the computer, so you never want to miss out on a deal. So basically, let's say that you're shopping online, you know, especially with all the sales coming up, I like to kind of pre-shop and save the things that I know I'm going to have my eye on. All you have to do is go in and tag that item, and Shop Tagger is going to ask you if you want to be notified when it goes on sale for 25% off, 50% off, or any price point. And then it's actually going to save it into your Shop Tagger account. The really neat thing is that in your Shop Tagger account, you can create all kinds of different lists. So maybe you want to separate like clothes, jewelry, furniture, makeup, electronics, maybe gifts for certain people. You can make all these different lists. And if your friends or family are like, hey, what do you want for the holidays? Maybe what can we get you? Any ideas? You can actually send those lists to friends and family. And if you're shopping for yourself or you're shopping for others, the app is actually going to give you push notifications on your phone. So it alerts you not only when those items go on sale, but it also lets you know when things go in stock. And from my experience, I know Shop Taggers actually let me know way before the website that I signed up through. The actual website lets me know. So they're super fast and super easy to use. They also have a coupon feature, which is really neat. So when you're checking out at a store, it's going to find any coupons that are available and pick the best one for you to use to get you the most money off. And they also just added a cash back feature. So not only are they saving you money on the front end by letting you know when items go in stock, but they're also giving you a percentage back on your purchase. They have a bunch of different stores that you can get cash back from, and you can also cash the money out through PayPal. So lots of really neat things that Shop Tagger has to offer. And again, it's absolutely free to download. I know for me, it's really hard for me to commit to new things, especially if it's an app on my phone, because I worry about storage and like, am I really going to use it and does it work? But I'm telling you guys, Shop Tagger is 100% the best thing that I've downloaded on my phone. I absolutely love it. And I cannot tell you how much money they've saved me. Really, I've even gotten items that I probably wouldn't have bought had they not went on sale as much as they did, and I got notified. So I'll leave a link down below for you to check them out. And again, a huge thank you to Shop Tagger for sponsoring today's video. So we're going to go ahead and jump into all the items that you guys could be winning. Okay, so the very first thing, of course, is my favorite thing. Every single year, I always get these for giveaways. So this is the Sephora Favorites Lash Stash Mascara Wardrobe. So you have a full-size, Pat McGrath, which I've always wanted to try this. You have velour lashes. You have Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. You have a mascara from Anastasia, Ela, Benefit, a lash enhancing serum, a lash booster from Lancome, Urban Decay Lash Freak, and a Blink mascara as well. And this one actually is a full size too. I actually love this, and I think this set also makes a really great gift too, because there's so many different options, and you know, you can try out all the mascaras and see which one you like best. So that is the first thing that you'll be winning. And I literally stuffed all the skincare on top, so the next thing we're gonna go through skincare. So we have the Glam Glow Glitter Mask, and this is a mask treatment from Glam Glow. Then we have this Skin Fix Extra Strength Body Cream. These are all self-care items. We have the Garden of Life Skin and Hair Oil, the Derma E Skin De-Stress Calming CBD Cleanser. All things skincare. We have a argan oil. This is a 12-in-1 leave-in treatment with argan oil. And there's that. We know I always like to include brushes. So this is the Moda Ice Cream Mint Chocolate Set. So you get 4 different brushes. We have a powder brush, a complexion brush, an angle blender, and a detail brush. And then you also get a really cute holographic brush case in the back. And then we have a Coconut Miracle hair mask. It says Damage Remedy, and it says discover silky soft island girl hair with this creamy decadent mask infused with coconut oil. It provides extra powerful moisture. So this is an extra strength and honey hold mega glue for your hair to lock it in place. We have from Too Faced Born This Way, Turn Up the Light, and this is a complexion palette. So you have like a powder, a highlight, and a bronzer, and I did include this in the shade Light. I know a lot of times most people in the wintertime, they get a little bit more fair, so I figured that a lighter shade would be better. But then if you need to spice it up and you need some darker shades, I have 2 of these. They are both from Physicians Formula. This is their Mineral Wear Powder, and I was trying to see the 2 shades. We have Warm Honey and Golden Caramel. You can also use those as bronzers too, and just kind of like bronze up your face in certain areas. We have the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Glow Highlighter. Then we have the Derma E Skin De-Stress Calming Moisturizer. So you can actually use this and double it up with the cleanser. That way you have lots of de-stress going on around the holidays, because I know the holidays can definitely be stressful. Then we have 2 different eyeliners. So we have the Slim Cream Eyeliner from Jouer. And then we also have this Winky Luxe Fee Liner, which I believe is actually a felt tip liner. The next 2 items are from Burt's Bees, and these are their All Aglow sticks. So you have one that's like more cranberry, and then one that's more golden. So these are actually lip and cheek sticks, so you can put them on your cheeks for like a nice blush color, or you can also put them on your lips, so they're kind of like 2-in-1. We have the Derma E Vitamin C Renewing Moisturizer. So again, lots of like self-care treatments and skincare in this giveaway. Then we have this Fairy Tales Storybook Cosmetics, and this is an eyeshadow palette, and I'll open it up so you guys can see it. Beautiful shades in there. Okay, very next we have the Pure Festival palette, and here's what the shades look like. These are super fun, but also because of the different color tones, you have like a really pretty shimmering green, like a cranberry, lots of like warm shades. I figured this would also be really great for the holidays too. Another eyeshadow palette, and this one's actually from Maybelline, and this is their Burgundy Bar. Again, very warm tone shades, and there is that. Then we have the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow Spray, and this will leave you with a beautiful glow for the holidays. Then we have the Gigi Gorgeous Get Lit Highlighter. And lastly, you guys, lots and lots of lip products. So we have from Ofra Cosmetics, this is one of their liquid lipsticks. We have a Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love, and this is in the shade Scarlet. Then we have a matte nude lip, a Girlactic lip paint. We have a MAC Cosmetics lip, and this is actually a purple shade. And then lastly, and I love these, this is a Tinted Lip Girl by CoverGirl. So again, I hope that you guys are excited about another giveaway for the holidays. Again, a humongous thank you to Shop Tagger for sponsoring today's video. I hope that you guys enjoy. And again, make sure to check them out so you don't miss on any Black Friday deals. And I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.